Most people borrow money, but they don't understand the real cost. A loan gives you money today, but creates responsibility for tomorrow.
Your future depends on the financial choices you make today.
Small payments can hide a much bigger financial problem.
Smart money decisions create a stronger future. Understanding needs and wants can completely change your money habits. Completely change your money habits.
Many people enter debt easily, but struggle to escape. Where your money goes decides where your future goes.
An emergency fund protects you from unexpected problems. Always understand what you agree to before signing. A simple budget gives your money a clear direction. Real wealth grows through patience and smart decisions. Fast money promises can become expensive mistakes.
Investing starts with knowledge, not emotions.
Financial freedom begins with small choices every day. Clear goals help you build a stronger financial future.
Financial education helps people make better decisions.
Save wisely, plan carefully, and invest responsibly. Your financial future is created by the choices you make today.
Clean Money Guide helps you understand money and build a responsible future. Clean Money Guide helps you understand money and build a responsible future.